and welcome to my channel. It is 2019 and I'm so excited to start off the year doing Valentine's DIYs. I hope everybody had a safe and fun new year, but I didn't have any new year DIYs or new year's resolutions. But just to start with my Valentine's DIYs super early, so you guys will be able to enjoy them and get them done before Valentine's Day, because it's coming up in like a short month and some weeks. So anyways, I am gonna get started. Scout's gonna help me do one of these as well. We're gonna do 3 different Valentine Dollar Tree rustic DIY decor, and we're just gonna get started. So the first DIY I'm gonna be doing is with this picture frame from the Dollar Tree, along with these buttons I also got from the Dollar Tree a while back, and a heart-shaped cookie cutter. And I'm just gonna take the cookie cutter and trace around it right onto this picture frame, because my skills are not very good when it comes to making heart. And we started just laying the buttons out just to make sure we'd have enough in different sizes so it could make the perfect heart. And then we just started hot gluing them, and I did overlap them quite a bit because I didn't want a lot of the background showing in the heart. I thought it was a way easier idea just to start with the outline and then start filling in the middle, so that's what we did.
You might be the one that truly gets me, and I might be the one you really want, and I feel it too, but you don't know what I've been going through. This is when you tell me that you're different. This is when you try to make.
And that is it for this first DIY. This one was so simple and easy to do, and everything came from the Dollar Tree.
Make me fall, convince me it's true.
For the next DIY, you're going to need some scrap pieces of wood, burlap, and then paint. I have red, black, and white, along with some Mod Podge. I picked up that Mod Podge at the Dollar Tree. I always grab at least a little bottle every time I go, just in case I am going to use it. And then the first thing I'm going to do is just start out by cutting the pieces of burlap to the sizes of the wood. There is a little bit showing on the side, but that was okay. I just really wanted it down the center. And then I'm just going to be painting the scrap pieces of wood black. And then while I was waiting for the black paint to dry, I decided to paint the burlap. And painting burlap is a lot harder than I thought. I wanted the 2 bigger pieces to be white, so I did that. And then I wanted the smaller piece to be red, so I painted the one that's going to be in the middle red.
That is why you want me like you do.
And when all the paint was finished drying, I just took the Mod Podge and I just Mod Podged the burlap right onto these scrap pieces of wood.
But you didn't even have to try, 'cause you can start a fire without a spark.
And then I took these stencils that I already had. I got these from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. And then I'm just going to paint an I on one of these and a U on the other. And I didn't have a U, so I just used the J and then just flipped it over so it looked like a U. And then I did just freehand a heart. This was way harder than I thought because the burlap was so hard to paint on. But I think that this imperfection looked really nice. So I wasn't too disappointed. But I think this turned out super cute.
What I told you.
In the last DIY, I'm just going to be using this scrap piece of wood. I was going to use burlap for a burlap bow, but I didn't have enough room. And then this barn red color of spray paint that I've had sitting in our basement. And then I just took these 6-inch stencils, and I'm just going to be tracing around an L, a V, and an E, and then I'm using this cookie cutter and some tin foil. So thank you to my mom for this awesome idea. And then I just Mod Podged this heart on the back. I just cut that right out and then just Mod Podged it. And then I did end up adding some twine because I thought it looked a little plain. But that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed these 3 Valentine DIYs. I have a few more coming, so watch out for those. And if you liked this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment below which one was your favorite. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
All about that tonight. Just remember the flame. You remember the flame. All right.